Alright, well, it looks like today's the day we're getting chickens. My wife ran to town to get some. I'm setting up the brooder box right now. I'd like to finish the chicken coop today, but Mother Nature has other options for us, which is fine. We need the rain. Someone commented on my TikTok to warn me about the light that we got, saying that they had the same light and it burnt down their brooder box. But from what I can gather, they had it mounted too close and the chicks got bigger, and most likely when they flapped their wings they knocked it down, causing a fire. So this is what I came up with. Alright, here's the box. I've got the light suspended with some fencing wire. Oh yeah, that's definitely warm. We'll check on it throughout the night or throughout the evening, see if I need to raise it or lower it or what, but I think the chicks will like it. Alright, chickens are here. Got 10 pullets, 9 premium pullets. Let's get them in their home. Definitely talkative. Alright, they're all in here.
Don't knock it because it's going to catch
They found the heat lamp.
Mommy!
We got some chicken nuggets. Got some chicken nuggets cooking. All the chicks are healthy and happy. Some of them are a little rambunctious. All the kids are excited we finally got them. Hopefully they all make it to adulthood. Alright, it's day 2. Well, the end of day 1, not day 2 yet. All the chickens are good. Made it through the night, nice and warm and happy. They're running around being little dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Holy.
So we're probably going to go outside and work on the chicken coop some. It's a little muddy from the rainstorm last night. But yeah, let's get her done. Alright, it's finally time to finish up this chicken coop so we can get the chickens in here because they are either ready today or the next couple days. Need to build doors for this side of the coop building. Need to build a bigger door for this. This door is not too bad size, but I'd like to come up a board or two because it's not too small, but it's too small for a guy who's 5'10", 230. Alright, got a lot more zip ties, getting everything secured, and then we also got the hardware cloth put on the outside. So a lot of tying to get this stuff tied off. We gotta get tarps on, get doors made, and finish wiring it up. It should be ready for chickens tomorrow night, but we're gonna wait till Friday, bring the chickens out, let them run around for a couple hours before we lock them up for the first night outside. Alright, I got a door made out of plywood and 1x4s. I cut out one more section to make the door taller. The door is 2 foot by 4 foot. Not huge, but big enough to get in. We got it hinged up, latched in, and then over here, tomorrow after work, I gotta build doors for the egg laying bay. But we bought these containers at Dollar Tree for $1.25 a piece. We're going to take and cut the fronts of them out. Whoops, yeah, we're gonna cut the front out of them. And there's 8 of them. 8 spots for chicks to lay eggs. We should be able to have at least, I don't know, 28 chicks, and no problem for the amount of room for egg layers. And then we have a military canvas tarp we're gonna put clear across this floor, so every weekend we can drag the tarp out with all of the chicken shit and stuff on it, put it in the compost bin, stick it back in. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, but it's gonna be better than having an ammonia buildup for the chickens to choke on. But we're getting the hardware cloth all tightened up, and then next we're going to take the door frames, and they will be hardware cloth top to bottom. But this is how far we got the hardware cloth. We're getting everything tight and secure, and I'm hoping tonight we can get those bricks brought in here and start lining the inside of the coop with bricks. And also tonight, this side of the coop has no wire because I'm going to secure this side of the coop to the garden shed and lean-to. The only thing that'll fit between there is going to be a snake. So we'll get it secured down. Tomorrow when I get home, we'll get the chicks brought out here, hopefully. And then I can take some measurements and make these doors while the chicks are getting used to their outside environment. Because I would like the chicks to be out here running around for a couple hours before they're locked up in their coop for the first time. But they're gonna like this, I guarantee it. And luckily enough, the kids are out here helping us more than they have so far on this, except for painting. Maya is hanging up dandelions for the chickens to eat.
I started it.
Charlie is trimming zip ties. Hannah is being a tree person. Funny story tonight, right before I got home, Hannah got pooped on by a bird. And I'm gonna guess this bird was a goose or an eagle or something because she had to take a shower. It literally like filled this side of her head and the palm of her hand with bird poop. I wasn't here to see it, but I laughed my ass off and my wife sent me the Snapchats. And Hannah took it very well when I was making fun of her. Hannah is the toughest of them all and the tomboy. She's out here scouting other places where she can eat her lollipop.
Hannah, make a growling.
Alright, I'm currently in my open air workshop right now, getting the doors knocked out for the egg laying bins on the side of the coop. I'll get these done, make sure they fit, and then I'll burn them, make them look cool. Okay, those doors are on and functioning. The front door is on and functioning. My wife is putting the hardware cloth on one of the doors. She's going to get to the other one here in a minute. I'm going to find stuff and make another roost inside and make an outside roost or two. But these doors, when I made them, I only took 2 measurements, so I messed up a little bit, but I ended up making them work. We got the gate latch in the middle on this side. They aren't perfect, but I don't think the chickens will give a shit. And if anybody else does, well, I don't care. It's not theirs. I like them. Okay, the second roost is up. Now we got 2 roosts. We got this canvas on the floor, so we can change it or pull it out once a week and clean it off.
I could sleep in here.
Yeah, well, chickens are gonna poop on your head.
Hey.
All right, the moment of truth. This chicken coop is about 2 months in the works. Well, about 2 years actually, but the last 2 years we didn't do a damn thing. We brought that home and everything's sat ever since. But doors are on, roosts are done, hardware cloth is on. I built this feed water setup. Feed goes in here. The chickens stick their head in there and eat. That way they're not scratching all over the ground and wasting it. You guys ready to see if the chickens like it? All right. Hey.